Hello and welcome back to the Freelancing Pro Series Part 2. In our previous video, I explained 3 main factors to be considered to be a successful freelancer. So in today's video, let's go a little more practical and see how we can set up services and gigs, and also optimize our services and gigs. Once that is done, I will share with you actionable tips to do so as to be successful as a freelancer and start getting your first customers in less than 4 weeks. So stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video, as I have reserved for you a special gift. Hi everyone, I'm Peter from Digital Earning Palace, and in today's video, I'm so excited to bring you the part 2 of my new Freelancing Pro series, where I'll be sharing with you how you can start from scratch to enable you to become a successful freelancer and get your first customers in less than 4 weeks. Please don't forget, if you want to flow along with us and get the latest video updates and tutorials about digital marketing, online businesses, and anything else related, do not forget to like the video, subscribe now to my channel, and turn on the alert notifications. This way, you get an alert every time a new video is being released. So without any further ado, let's get started. So very quickly, in the part 1, we learned about 3 factors to be considered to be a successful freelancer online. These included having a professional skill, having your own portfolio, and growing outside of the freelancing websites. For you to succeed as a freelancer, this is very important. We'll go now practically and see how we can apply and create some gigs on Fiverr. What I want you to know is that when it comes to online, there are a lot of freelancing websites which you can choose to start with. A few examples are Fiverr.com, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, Upwork, and many others. These freelancing websites are marketplaces online where people can buy and sell services. These services are also called gigs. Please bear in mind that our goal in this series is to grow our services outside of freelancing websites, so you can have your own audience and private customers, so you don't have to depend on these freelancing websites in a long run for you to make money. If you are a beginner starting from scratch, the easiest way is to start by using Fiverr Marketplace. So for now, don't worry yourself about other freelancing websites like Freelancer.com, Upwork, People Per Hour, or any other one. Once you are able to establish a presence and get your first few customers and you start making money online, we can go then and build our own freelancing websites. Just like I told you in the last video, here is my newly created Fiverr account profile. To become a seller, I will just click right here so as to become a brand new seller, and in this way we can publish our gigs and as well optimize our account and so on. Signing up to Fiverr is really easy. Just insert your email and follow through the process. I won't bother wasting your time on this because it's really simple. You can find thousands of videos on YouTube and articles on Google that will help you on the very simple process on how to sign up to Fiverr. So I will click on the start and continue right here, and it will tell me some information related to my profile. It's really very important that you read through this information. This will help you in optimizing your profile. Then we click on continue again, and then some more information will be shown to you to read. Click on the continue and it will bring us to my personal info, where you can see I have my profile picture. It's of high importance that you post a picture of you. This will give some level of trust that you are not a robot but a human, except of course if you are a robot. Put your image and enter your name. The next thing we would want to do is to enter your description, just as you can see in my case. If you have multiple languages, you can add right here to reach more audience worldwide. Click on continue, and here you will have to enter your occupation on this field. your work and skills you are providing. You can always make changes to this later on, so don't worry. Just stick with me for now. Add also your educational certificate. If you have a website, also put it here. In the place of a website, you can add a portfolio website if you have one. If you don't, I have a step-by-step guide on how to create a free portfolio website. I will leave a link in the description for you to get yours created. Then hit on continue. It is also a good practice to connect your social presence. Then you continue. Under the account security, verify your phone number and email, and you click on finish. And when we have successfully completed our profile information, it will now lead us to creating our first gig. A gig, very simply, is a service that you want to provide to people. When it comes to creating your gig, the best thing to do is not just to pick something from your head. What you would want to do is to go to others who have done it before in your chosen niche. To do this, open a new tab and type in fiverr.com. Locate the search bar, assuming that you want to buy something. Find the service that you want to render. It may be graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, industries, whatever it is that you want to offer as a service or gig on Fiverr. In my own case, writing and translation. I therefore click on article and blog post, since that's what I want to start with. It is good to pattern yourself in line with what people are doing, so you can get good keywords of what people are searching for. To get more done about this, there is a way I usually go about it. There are 4 main things that you should think about when you want to publish a gig: the title, the description, the tags, and the thumbnail of the gig or service you want to render. This will make potential customers to get attracted to your service when they come in contact with your gigs for the first time. They can then go ahead and read in details and establish a communication with you. On Fiverr.com, when one wants to buy, the first thing they look at is the title, then the description, followed by the reviews. As a beginner, since we are starting from scratch, we do not have access to any reviews yet. So in order to optimize our gigs, our focus should be on our thumbnails, the description, title, and tags of our gigs or services. Doing this, it will help the gig to be ranked on Fiverr and ahead of similar gigs. So I go to Fiverr, I click on article and blog post, then I open the first 3 that appears on the first page. Then see which one of them has something related to what you are offering. See what they are offering. If you are offering the same service at a lower price, since you are starting out, you may choose to offer as an example what those on the first page are offering at a lower price. Then go to the category, select your category. In my own case, writing and translation. Then the subcategory, article and posts. Then select your article type as it suits your own gig. Here I'll choose travel and hospitality. Choose your language, English in my own case. Then under this, I will choose conversational. For article type, I will choose long form. The next is to go to your search tags, which are keywords people are searching for before they get to you. I will choose SEO writer, article rewriter, content writer, blog posts, and health articles. There's a limit of 5 tags here that you can choose. Then you save and continue. Now we go over to the scope and pricing. I want you to note something very important here. When you want to provide a service for someone, always make him think that the amount of money he is paying is way less than the value you are offering. In this way, you can easily attract people. But if you're giving out low value and low price, you will find it hard to be successful. What works is to provide high value, then make them think that the value is higher than the price. Fiverr offers a great feature here, which is to use 1 package or 3 packages. I advise you make use of the 3 packages so you can scale your earnings. You also have the place where you can name your packages. To name your gigs, you can name them as you can see here. Basic for basic, standard for standard, and premium for premium. Then describe the details of your offering. In this place, if you do not know what to write, you can go to similar gigs that are ranking, like we saw, and write it out here. Twerk it a little bit to suit what you are offering. But I know what I'm offering, so I would put it right here. So I'll write here, engaging article and SEO optimized articles. For the delivery time, for basic, in my own case, 1 day. Standard, I'll put 2 days. And for the premium, I'll put 3 days. For my basic, I set my price to be $15. For the standard, I set my price to be $35. And for the premium, I set my price to be $65. The number of reviews I will choose is unlimited. For the number of keywords, I will choose 1 for basic. I will then choose 2 for standard and 5 for premium. Yours should be done according to the service you are offering and what is obtainable in your own gig. The next is the description and the frequently asked questions section. This section is very important. Here, you mention also some description. Tell the customer what you want here. Always provide 2 basic things in the description. Explain what exactly you are giving to your customers, how you are going to solve the problem. Then mention some keywords so that Fiverr understands exactly what your gig is all about. I already have my own description, so I will just post it right here. But if you do not know how to go about yours, just go to a similar gig, copy the description of that person, then head over to Google and search for article spinner. Select one of the article spinners that is made available for you and paste and spin the article. Read through the article and then edit to suit your intended purpose. Then paste in your description. Very simple. Also, under the frequently asked question, you can put questions you feel your customers will possibly ask. So you ask them here and they give you the answers. This will speed up your workflow. For example, you could ask something like, can you deliver 1,000 words in 24 hours? and you simply answer yes, I can deliver within hours. This is important because some people usually are under pressure and want their jobs done even faster than the delivery time you stated on your gig. You can ask them many more questions if you want. Then you hit on the save and continue. The next thing is to add your requirements. What do you require your customers to do when they place order for your gigs? For example, you need to know the keyword that you want to target, the title of what you intend to write for them. To do this, click on add, type in title, then click on add again, and then type in keyword. Then you save and you continue. The next thing is the gallery. Like I told you, the thumbnail is very important. So you need a good photo so you can create a good thumbnail that is so attractive and describes your gig. It should be professionally designed. I will not want this video longer, so I will leave links to Canva tutorials that will help you create high converting thumbnails and design. Anyway, here is my thumbnail, so I will simply upload it. Mind you, just any photo won't work when uploaded. It has to fit into the dimensions required here. Once you are done uploading your photo, the next thing to do is to save and continue. It is also a good practice to see what your competitors and other professional freelancers are doing in terms of how they publish their titles, tags, and thumbnails. Copy what successful people are doing. So depending on the gig you are publishing, this will be the last part. Then you publish your gig. Otherwise, you may be asked to take a short test in the case of gigs related to writing, such as mine in this example. I won't take this test now, so the video is not made too long. So this is simply how you can publish your gig on Fiverr. You also have the option to publish up to 7 gigs. I will go ahead and publish more gigs before our next video lesson. The next lesson will show you details on how to promote your gigs and get your first few customers, which is one very important thing in freelancing. I will also show you how to grow outside of Fiverr and get even more customers. I'll be showing you more ideas on how you can publish your own gigs. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the alert notification so you receive an alert when the next video is uploaded. To keep supporting me to publish more videos, like always, like the video. See you in the next one.